So you're thinking about moving to Charlotte, North Carolina. I am going to show you 2 homes in today's videos, and they're in an affordable price bracket, and we are just outside of Charlotte. We're on the west side of town, about 35 minutes drive to uptown, and about 25 minutes to the airport, in an area just outside of Mount Holly, which has absolutely exploded with growth and new construction over the past couple of years because of neighborhoods like this, which are affordable options. So if you're thinking about moving to the Charlotte area and you're looking for new construction, strong school districts, subdivisions with really good amenities, and an amazing house, because this is built by Meritage Homes and their product is absolutely fantastic. So my name is Dean, and I put out videos every single week about living here in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm also a real estate agent, so if you have any questions about this community or real estate in general, you're looking for a good agent to help you find a house, I'm gonna put my contact information right below in the screen. Go ahead and reach out to me today. You can shoot me a text, give me a call, send me an email, and with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this video. So like every model tour, it always needs to start in the most exciting room of the house, which is, of course, the downstairs storage area. Just take a look at that room, how big it is. If you've ever seen the movie Harry Potter, that's where that guy lives. But we're gonna start at the front of the house, as we always do, or we should always do anyway. So this is the home office. Now we're gonna use a little imagination here, how the builder has set this up, but you can of course put this as a formal dining room if that's what you want to do, but it really works in both spaces. So if you need that home office, work from home, you could easily enclose this, and if you wanted to, put some French doors over here, or you could even do a barn door that slides across. It would look really, really nice. But a couple pieces of furniture in here, as you can see, it's a great use of space. You've got a nice entranceway here. It's nice and wide. There's our Harry Potter door again here, right behind the stairs. But you've got some nice luxury vinyl flooring in the main level, all down the main level. And here is the grand living area. Now let's go ahead and check out the guest suite. So the entrance point to the house is gonna be right here through the garage, which is today, of course, the sales office. So can't see too much in here now. Also in the sales office, this is actually gonna be a full bathroom. It's not a full bathroom in the model home. It does have the disability access in there, but it is gonna be a full bathroom. There's gonna be a transition now into the carpet, as you can see, the guest suite. Decent size, not too big, but it's got everything you need in here. Full size bed, you could go a little bit bigger if you needed to. You got some windows, so you got that natural light, and you've got the walk-in closet on this side. Now, let's go ahead and check out pretty much where you're gonna do 90% if you're living on the main floor. Now, let me go ahead and just stop here and just take a second just to tell you what this floor plan is. It's called the Chatham. You know, it's built by Meritage Homes. It's a 5-bedroom home. They do have that bedroom obviously on the main level guest suite. So the primary is actually upstairs, and it's a little bit over 2,600 square feet. So it ticks a lot of boxes for families looking for that space. As you can see here, really nice. You got 9-foot ceilings, a lot of space in this room, wall of windows over there, so that natural light, again, really important. They've done a good job staging this, so I can't really complain on this. Highest and best use for sure. TV on the wall, furniture, you could go with the sectional if you needed the sectional on here. Now, since this model has set up as a home office on the front of the house, if you did want to go ahead and use the formal dining room over there, you could still make a good use over the breakfast area. And it's not just a small dingy area. A lot of the times these breakfast dining areas that we use for every day can be really small, but they've done a really good job. You've got a nice 4-foot table over here, 6 chairs, sliding glass door over there, and here is the kitchen. So notice a couple of the features that are pretty much standard on all Meritage builds. You've got this quartz countertop. You have the sink in the island, which is always a nice, good feature. You've got the stainless steel package, and that does include the microwave, and you've got the the electric oven over here. And you do have the traditional subway tile, very, very popular in price points right now across the board. And these really nice shaker cabinets, you've got the gray color, which really makes that earth tone look really good. And of course, you've got the pantry. Let's go ahead and check out the pantry. Can't really complain on that. Nice corner unit. They drink a lot of water in this model office, so there is a lot of bathroom breaks for the employees here. While we're here, let's go ahead and just check out this fridge, because me and my boy over here, after we finish, we always like to grab snacks, and I hope we are thirsty for water, because that is our only option. All right, let's go ahead and check out outside. So the backyard in here is really worth the entry point alone, because we're going to be on 1/4 acre lots. Pretty much all of the units around here are going to have a 1/4 acre, thereabouts. So you're going to have that nice yard space. And they're also going to get finished with this Bermuda strain grass, which is really important because a lot of builders, they'll put out sod on the front and the back, they'll put seed. But on the back, as you can see now, we are in the winter months, just for a point of reference, so the grass hasn't come alive right now, but this is gonna be popping green here in the next couple months. Now, all the homes have these slab patios here, so they're like 8 feet by 5 feet, and you get 2 of them. And as you can see, the highest and best use in these, they've got a nice smoke pit out here, you've got a couple of seats, so you could really just sit out and enjoy everything. Now, while we're talking about the outsides, not the most important thing, but it's something you need to know as a homeowner. It's got 1 HVAC unit right on cue. It just went off. I've got the vibes today. But you've got 1 HVAC unit, so you've got a dual damper system for both upstairs and downstairs, which is a really nice feature. But could you just see yourself out here in the backyard with the kids, maybe a play set just running around out here? A lot of space for the kids. And again, at this price point, which we're going to talk here a little bit in a second, this is a great product. Now, let's go ahead and check out upstairs. But when we get up there, I'm going to show you one feature that's really unique to Meritage Homes. So a lot of new construction options in today's market have a second level bonus room and or loft. Today we're going to show a loft area, meaning it's wide open. But I want to point something out. Right up here, you can see there's an opening that the model home has left. So you can see the actual spray insulation on the roof area. So that's absolutely huge. Now, lots of builders do this, but not all builders do this as standard, but Meritage do. So really helps out with energy efficiency, keeping those bills down. But again, here's the loft area. Really standard loft area, but what I like about it is it's actually big enough to put some furniture in here and get a TV on the wall. So like any loft area, a lot of people, highest and best use is for a second living area. If you have teenage kids and they want their own little place, or if you do have out-of-town guests, there's that retreat for them. Or if you wanted to go big, you could do the home theater system in here. Now, we're gonna show you the primary owner suite in a second, but before we do, we wanna show you this side of the house because you've got a couple of different bedrooms and options down here. So right off here, you've probably got one of the smaller bedrooms, not huge. It is at the front of the house. Of course, you got a window, so a lot of natural light. Small wardrobe. It is not huge in here, but it's perfect for that 5th bedroom option. Coming over here, you've got the bathroom area. Really nice. Love the transition now from carpet, which you can, of course, have that entire second level on LVP flooring if you wanted to go that route. But you're gonna have the nice tile flooring in here. You've got the dual cabinets, vanities, countertops in here, and the shower bath combo. All right, guys, so this is the moment of truth. This is my least favorite room in any house. It's the laundry room, and this one does not disappoint. We're not gonna spend any time in here. Tile flooring, washer dryer on there. I'll show you the entrance point in there a little bit, so I guess that makes it a little bit more interesting. Linen closet over here, and this is one of the bedrooms that they have set up. I don't know why the designer set this one up as more of a day bedroom, because this one seems a little bit bigger than the one that we just came from. But as you can see, they've set it up, and this one actually has a walk-in closet, which is nicer than the built-in closet. Now let's go ahead and cut through. Now, I'm gonna go against my better judgment. We're gonna go back into the laundry room because I'm gonna show you where this actually leads out onto. You're now in the primary owner suite's closet. Big room, right? So you've got all the attic access up here, transition now to the carpet, and then we're gonna come through over here. So tell me a comment below. Do you like that? Do you like access through the primary owner suite to the laundry room? Some people do, some people don't, but I'll be interested to hear what you like. Drop a like, comment below. In here, again, now we're transitioning to that same tile flooring, which you can, of course, customize in the design studio. You do have a double shower in there, which is nice. It's not tiled in there. Again, that's something you can do. This is what is as standard. So what you pay on a base model, this is what you're gonna get. Exact same countertops, cabinets as the kitchen, so it's always nice. And you have the commode in the bottom corner. Now here is the primary owner suite. I should have really come in through this way, but I just wanted to show it so you could see the entrance plate for the laundry room. But just look how big this room is. It's absolutely ginormous. I'm just gonna say this is a king size bed. You could definitely go bigger if you wanted to do that California. They've got the carpet in here, lots of furniture, lots of things to see and do. And you've got this nice little nook area. So they've set it up as a reading room, a little reading area, should I say, in the primary owner suite. So it does really work in here. As you see, you're gonna come back out through to the loft area again. The remaining bedrooms are all that we've already saw around this corner, and there's one additional bedroom, which is nice because the primary owner suite has its own like little wing. Again, this is a bedroom that's been set up as a, what is it, desk, home office maybe, I guess. Don't know why they did that because they had the home office down there, but it just gives you ideas. They've done a good job, generally speaking, designing this. And of course now in here, you do have the walk-in closet. Not huge, decent size though, so it's really good. All right, so let's now go ahead and talk about where we are. Let's talk about the HOA, and let's go ahead and talk about pricing on this one. So we're in a community, as you know, that's built by Meritage Homes, and it is just outside of Mount Holly. When I say just outside, literally, it's about a 3-minute drive to downtown. And Stanley is an area that has just exploded over the past couple of years, again, just with this growth that we're seeing here in the Metro Charlotte area. The name of the community is Harper's Landing. Now, the house that we just saw over there, it is priced really aggressively. So what you're seeing there on that 2,600 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3 full bathrooms, should I say, is priced right around that mid 400s price point. But go ahead and stick around because I want to show you this ranch house over here. Ranch homes are very, very popular. That single level. Now they've got 2 different designs in this community of the ranch, but we're actually going to walk through the larger of the 2, which is a little bit over 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. Then we're going to go ahead and talk a little bit more about the pricing and the incentives that this builder offers. Right, let's go and check it out. So this floor plan, even though it's smaller, just because we're on a primary living space all on the main level, it actually seems pretty darn big inside here for just a 3-bedroom house because everything is on here. As you can see, you've got the kitchen right over here. I want to showcase a couple of different options that the sales rep wanted to point out to us. You do have on this one granite, so you've got granite and quartz, different options available. You've got this same actual shaker cabinets, but they're just in white versus that earth tone gray color. Of course, stainless steel package, Whirlpool, which is always a good brand. You've got a nice little nook over here for you can put your coffee station. You've got the more classic subway tile in this one. And as you can see, these ceilings in here are 9 feet. So on these ranch models, they do really feel very wide, very expansive. All of these homes are going to have the sink in the kitchen island. You've got a nice overhang here. So if you did want to put bar stools, which pretty much everyone wants to do nowadays, you have that option. Now, right over here is going to be your living room area. Imagination is needed here, so just stay with me. If it was me, if I was buying this house, furniture, TV on the wall, sectional over here, maybe a coffee table where I was sitting, and this would be a really great space just to hang out and do your everyday living area. You don't have a formal dining room, but there's got a flex space that we're going to show you here in a second. But this is going to be your breakfast area, so a nice little round table would do perfect in here. But as you can see, it feels really large. Now we're going to go ahead and go into the primary owner suite first, because this is the only bedroom at the back of the house. So you do have that kind of separation, so you have that privacy option in here. But as you're coming in, you've got a different color of LVP flooring. Now we're going to transition to carpet. You can see really nice big space. You've got the classic tray ceilings in here. You've got the double windows out here. This lot, real nice, it's available right now for sale, and we'll talk a little bit more about the price here in a second. But this one actually sits on the back of a wooded lot, so you've got that privacy area. Now we're gonna go into the owner suite bathroom now. I personally prefer this one, but you tell me what you think. You do have the double vanity cabinets in here. You do have a linen closet right behind the door, not too exciting. But I like this shower. It's not quite as big, but it is tiled and it has got the bench option in here. You do have the toilet over here, and then you do have the, what is this? This is the closet room. But I want to show you something, because remember the last model home that you can have a cut through to the laundry room? Let's go ahead and just get this room out of the way right now. But if you wanted to, you could come straight through here. Laundry room, it does have the Whirlpool package standard. Transition now to the tile. Now let's go ahead and just check out now. We're back in the main living area. I'll just show you where we are just so you don't feel dizzy. This is back where the kitchen area is now. I'm gonna show you something that's really unique, and I will be honest, when we did the walkthrough on this, we don't see this extra flex space too often. You do have a half bathroom in here. Perfect if you do a lot of entertaining. You've got your entrance point to the garage. You've got a drop zone right on this side. But this is what they call a flex room. So do you want that home office? Do you want more of a formal dining room? Do you want a second area, living room area? Kind of use it for a loft space. Really nice space. It's not enclosed off here. You could put a door in here if you want. There's no wardrobe in here or anything, so technically it's not a bedroom. That's why they call it the flex space. But there's that drop zone, as you can see, beautiful little area. And at the front of the house, you've got that nice long entranceway, so you can see right the way through it. You're gonna have 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. The bathroom is Jack and Jill, which I personally love. Again, we're going to transition into the carpet. You've got the front of the house. This one's got a built-in area, built-in wardrobe. Not a huge room. You could definitely get a king-size bed in here. I would say anything bigger than that, maybe not. You might want to go with the queen when I look at it now. But here is the Jack and Jill option. Transition again now to the tile. You've got the double vanity countertops. You've got the basic bath shower combo in here. And then it of course comes through to the additional bedroom. I would say this one might be a little bit bigger. Again, I wouldn't go crazy with the bed size in here, but with these two bedrooms sharing that bathroom, perfect if you've got a couple of kids and you wanted that flex space, really good option. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the price. So Harper's Landing is the name of the community, and there's about 100 different sites left available right now. So you do have the option to pick out your dirt, you can pick out your floor plan, and there's multiple single level or two-story homes available. So if you like a ranch style, this is the biggest one, a little bit over 2,000 square feet, and this one is priced at right around 420,000. If you needed something a little bit smaller, it would be the same size roughly minus the flex room. That's going to be right around that 390 price point. So prices in the Charlotte market for location, convenience, energy efficiency, that the Meritage 10-year structural warranty, really good product that they build, and of course that huge lots, quarter of an acre lots, which is really rare right now in the Charlotte area at this price point. The first home that we saw was right around that 460,000, and that was the most expensive product that the builder offers in this community. So you can get in here from 390 all the way to around 460,000. Now the incentives that the builder is offering right now, they're gonna offer $20,000 towards your closing cost assistance. You won't need $20,000 in this community to close, so what the builder is allowing is you to roll the money over to a rate buy down. They've got some really attractive rates right now, lower than anywhere else that I've seen in the market, so they offer a fantastic product. As far as the community itself, it's very family friendly orientated. There's a pool in here, there's parks, pocket parks, playgrounds, and you get the HOA, all of that covered is just $100 a month. So guys, I hope this video brought some value to you. We just love doing these, showcasing some communities out here where families are moving to the Charlotte area. We know how much you love our nice warm weather here in the winter months like today. But with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put my contact information right below. Go ahead and shoot me a text, give me a call, send me an email. With that being said, I'll see you around town, and God bless.